I'm starting by applying the base to my eyes. I'm using this blue Barry M eye crayon and then using the warmth from my fingertips to blend it out. With a fluffy blending brush, I'm going in with a matte blue eyeshadow called Bolt from the sleek Bright Matte palette and working it through my crease using small circular motions to help blend out the shadow. I'm then going in with the shade Chill from the same palette, which is a lighter sky blue shadow, and using that to blend out the edges of this look. Now this might seem weird given that we're working with blue toned eyeshadow, but I'm taking a warm matte brown, I'm using Truffled from the TooFaced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette, and working it through my crease. Then on a small flat eyeshadow brush, I'm taking the shade Artist Pass from TooFaced Life's a Festival palette and patting that onto my lid. This shadow is a shimmery brown teal duochrome. I'm going back to that warm matte brown to add some more depth to the crease and help blend things together a little bit more. I'm also running that matte brown under my lower lash line with a smudge brush, before then smoking it out with a fluffy blending brush. With a shimmering sky blue pigment, the one I'm using is from Barry M, but I think it's been discontinued, so anything similar will work. I'm patting a little bit of it to the centre of my lids to bring out the blue shift of the shadow underneath it. Then I've already curled my eyelashes and I'm applying a black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I'm mixing my bronzer and contour shades together to give my face an all-over warmth, keeping the focus mostly to the perimeter of my face and slightly to my cheeks. I'm using Deity from Illamasqua, which is a pretty soft gold powder highlight, and highlighting my brow bone, inner corners of my eyes, cheeks, cupid's bow and tip of my nose. I'm lining out filling in my lips with this pencil from Max Factor called Brown Nude, as in like fish chips. And then finally finishing off this look with Maybelline's Vivid Matte Liquid in Nude Thrill.